for work, school, or personal scheduling? Listen up, your calendar might be showing more than you think. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to make your Outlook calendar completely private. Whether you're on desktop or web, this will lock down your info and keep your events secure. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Sign in using your email and password. And here's an important tip. If you're using a public computer or a shared device, always log out when you're done. This keeps your personal data safe and prevents anyone else from accessing your calendar. Once you're in Outlook, look for the calendar icon in the top or side menu. Click it to switch from your inbox to the calendar view. This is where you can see all your schedules, meetings, and events. Now, under My Calendars, find the calendar you want to secure. Next to its name, click the three-dot icon, also known as the More Options button. This is where you'll find the settings that control who can see your calendar. Select Sharing and Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of people who currently have access. You can remove anyone you don't want seeing your schedule or adjust their permissions. To keep your calendar private but still functional, set their access level to Can View When I'm Busy. That way, others will only see when you're unavailable, not the details of your events. Before you close out, double check everything. Make sure only the right people have limited access, then click Save or Done. That's it. Your Outlook calendar is now private and protected, and there you have it, your complete guide to making your Outlook calendar private. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Outlook and productivity tutorials. Drop a comment if you want me to cover how to share your calendar securely next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.